Since 1954, the 20th of November has been celebrated in many countries across the world as Universal Children's Day. Our country, Jamaica, is among these countries in the community of nations that marks this day as an important one on its calendar. As Children's Advocate of Jamaica, I could not allow this day to pass without reaching out to the hearts of the nation about our children. It is my view that this is one of the most appropriate times for us to pause and truly celebrate the gift of our children. Let us warm their hearts with our love and show all of them that we really do care. It is my hope that at this time of reflection, the significance of Universal Children's Day will not be lost on us. The observance of such a day is associated with a noble tradition, as it was on November 20 that the United Nations General Assembly adopted the Declaration of the Rights of the Child and the Convention on the Rights of the Child in 1959 and 1989 respectively. What better day for us as Jamaicans to coalesce around our wonderful children? It is true that as a nation, we have had some very sobering moments with regard to the situations affecting children in Jamaica today. We have heard of the reports of children being harmed in violent situations, of them being the perpetrators of serious offenses, and of them being involved in morally unsavory activities and being exposed to bad associations. Indeed, on many occasions, we sometimes wonder aloud why so many people are hurting our children, and we are concerned about what needs to be done to make the situation right. There is no quick fix solution to this very disturbing reality, because the truth is that children live what they learn. Maybe over time, it is the examples that were set by the generations past that have now manifested within our children, and we are simply reaping what has been sown. Do we as a people need to reassess our own values and attitudes? Are we a part of the breakdown in society that is affecting our children? These questions may be disturbing, but yet they also provide a hopeful prospect. My hope lies in the fact that we are the architects of our own destiny. We as a people have the power to change the situation and to impact upon our children for good. If we stand up for what is right, promote positivity and embrace sound principles and hold fast to our values, then over time, I am confident that we will once again return to an acceptable level of civility and innate goodness. On this Universal Children's Day, which has also been observed since 2008 as World Day of Action and Prayer for Children, it is my call to Jamaicans that each of us, in our own way, needs to do what we can to improve the lives of the children with whom we come into contact. Let us vow to build a world that is fit for children by doing right by them. As we celebrate this very significant day in the lives of our children, let us make them feel like priority one. No doubt, some may see it fit to present their child with a gift to mark the day. This is a practice adopted by many parents in countries all over the world, and I'm sure children everywhere would appreciate such a gesture from their parents. However, this is not the only thing that we can do to celebrate them and to mark this very important day. Other activities that can be done to communicate the message of love to our children include showering them with attention and support, spending quality time with them, reading their favorite story, educating them about their rights and responsibilities, sharing safety tips with them about little things that they can do to help protect themselves, cooking a special meal for them and sitting down to eat with them. These may seem like little things that are of no moment, but to a child they mean the world. Together, let us surround our children with our warmth, preserve the value of family, and commit to playing our role in the social re-engineering that must take place so that Jamaica, land we love, will be a place where our children can thrive and achieve their full potential.